القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Let's now look at the al-maddu al-lazim al-harfi al-muthaqqal and mukhaffaf wal-mukhaffaf. So we're going to look at both of these here because there's only a very slight difference, like the kilm al-muthaqqal al-mukhaffaf, but we can easily look at this together. So there are two types of med. These two types of med refer to the huruf al-muqatta'at. So the huruf al-muqatta'at are the words that appear at the beginning of some of the surahs. So these two divisions, the two divisions of mukhaffaf and muthaqqal, are divisions of the huruf al-muqatta'at. Now al-muqatta'at are of four types. Number one, the alif. So this alif is read as just alif. Number two, the letters hayya tuhr, which are read as mad al-tabi'i. We introduced them earlier. So the hayya tuhr, the mad al-asli, they only read with mad al-tabi'i with two harakat. Number three, the letters sanaqussu lakum. So the sin, nun, qaf, sad, lam, kaf and mim, which is read with ishba', tul, 6 harakat. And the letter ayn, which is read with tawassut by the way of Shatibiyyah. Now let's have a look at the definition. So the mid of the letters sanaqussu lakum, sin, nun, qaf, sad, lam, kaf and mim, which occur in the beginning of some of the surah, which are read separately. Each letter is comprised of 3 letters, the middle of which has a med. So let's have a look at the lam here. The lam is of course spelled like this: lam, alif and mim. So lam, and the middle one is an alif. So lam is the first letter, alif is the middle letter, and mim is the last letter. So this is how we read the al-muqatta'at. And if the last letter of the first muqatta'at letter has the rule of idgham into the first letter of the second muqatta'at letter, then it is known as muthaqqal. And the example is alif lam mim, because the last letter of lam is mim and the first letter of mim is of course mim. So therefore it is the letter, it has idgham. And it has idgham with ghunna as well. So if we notice, it has idgham with ghunna. And if the last, so that's al-muthaqqal. Now, if the last letter of the first muqatta'at letter has the rule of ikhfa, then the first letter of the second muqatta'at letter is known as al-mukhaffaf. So let's have a look at this. It's ayn, sin, qaf. So here we have the letters ayn, sin, qaf. Ayn, last letter is noon, and sin, so that's ikhfa. Sin, the last letter is noon, and then the next is qaf, so again there's ikhfa. And the normal rules of ikhfa will also apply. Now all of the muqatta'at letters are listed on the next slide. Let's take a look at this. These are the muqatta'at letters which occur throughout the Quran. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to read all of them so you can know how they are read. So the first one is alif lam mim. Second is alif lam mim sad. If you notice, actually mim sad, between that is the letter is idhar, because mim does not have ikhfa onto the sad. So alif lam ra, alif lam ra. If if you also notice when the Hayya Tuhar, so Ra is from the Hayya Tuhar, it has nothing written on top of it as well. Alif Lam Mim Ra Kaf Ha Ya Ayn Sad Taha Tasim Mim Tasin Yasin Sad Hamim Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. So if you haven't noticed here, because the Hamim is written separately to the Ain Sin Qaf, then this actually is two separate muqatta'at, and this is actually two ayahs as well, which occurs in the beginning of Surah Surah Al-Shura. This one is Qaf, and the last one is Noon. So it's very, very easy. We can see the different ways of how to pronounce these letters. Now, in the next exercise, you should read all of these to your teachers. Of course, read one surah to your teacher, answer all of the questions, and then you'll be able to go to the next lesson.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Salam Alykum.